Hello, dear viewer. In today's video, we are introducing the KAPLAN Unmanned Ground Vehicle, or UHV. This is the new generation of multi-purpose product based on rugged, high-mobility platform and a modular operator control unit. The KAPLAN UHV can be equipped with various mission-specific payload kits and unique structure that provides seamless interoperability. The KAPLAN UHV can be controlled through an advanced network-enabled control station. The human-machine interface is designed to assist the operator in difficult operational scenarios, decreasing the task load while increasing situational awareness. The UHV can be easily equipped with different payloads according to the mission requirements, thanks to its modular structure. But the KAPLAN UHV is more than just a smart, versatile machine. It's also built to withstand demanding environmental conditions thanks to its reliable military-grade equipment. The UHV can be used for reconnaissance, surveillance, and target acquisition, detecting and disposing of turret mines and IEDs, and electronic warfare application. And with a gross weight of 105 kilograms and maximum speed of 7 kilometers per hour, a control range of over 500 meters, and endurance of over 4 hours, the KAPLAN UHV is ready for any mission. With its advanced capabilities and rugged design, the KAPLAN deserves and should be perfect choice for a wide range of application. I think that you should discover more about KAPLAN UHV in the future and be subscribed.
Join Intel Prime channel membership today and get access to exclusive benefits, including early access to new videos, exclusive discounts on Intel products, behind-the-scenes content, live chat with me and other members. Other options will be soon available. Thank you for your support and for helping Intel Prime grow.